Hey guys, to be honest, I'm a little tired of fitness bracelets in 2019 because they look very similar to each other. However, today I received the fitness tracker and it has a very interesting design. Just look at this smart band. It definitely looks unusual and attracts attention. The bracelet is called Lerbyee Q1S. The price is only $21. In description I will leave the link to the store on AliExpress where you can buy it cheaper. The box looks like this. As you can see, there is only smart band inscription on the front side, but you can read main features on the back. Inside the box, there is fitness bracelet and user manual. That's all. You don't need a charging cable, because Lerbyee Q1S has USB direct charge. Just remove one of the straps and you will find USB connector. In my opinion, it is very convenient. As I already said, this fitness bracelet has very unusual design. Let's talk about it in details. First, I should say that this is not very compact device. The body dimensions are 42 by 22 by 11 mm. Yeah, the thickness is 11 mm. It is pretty thick. The length of the strap is 251 mm, while the width is 18 mm. On the other hand, the fitness bracelet is lightweight, only 28 grams. The main body of the watch is made of plastic, but there is metal panel under the screen. The strap is made of TPU. It is removable, but I am not sure that you can buy an extra strap. You have to choose the color of the strap when you order the bracelet – black, red and gray. The screen of Lerbyee Q1S has a diagonal of 1.14 inches. It is really big. For comparison, the new Xiaomi Mi Band 4 has 0.95-inch screen. This is color IPS screen, and it is good visible outdoors. Yes, you can see metal panel under the screen. This is finger electrode contact point. There are also two electrode contact points on the back. Together they are used for electrocardiogram measurement. Okay, if we have started talking about measurements, then let's talk about all the functions. The main screen of fitness bracelet looks like this. Here you can see the battery level, date of the week, time and heart rate. There are 3 pre-installed watch faces. Press and hold the button under the screen and then choose another watch face. To change functions, press the same button under the screen. There is steps, distance, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, ECG, sleep, messages and sports modes. In general, there are 5 sports modes: running, riding, climbing, basketball and football. Also, there is a special menu with functions such as stopwatch, find phone, music control, screen brightness, Bluetooth version and power off. In general, this is the standard set of functions for fitness bracelet in 2019. However, music control is a good feature. You can control the music on your smartphone without taking it off the pocket. By the way, if you want to see electrocardiogram measurement, you need to install companion app on smartphone. So let's connect the fitness bracelet to mobile device. The app is called Bracelet 2.0. It is available in Google Play Store and App Store. The pairing process is very simple. Open the app and tap on Click to connect device. Then choose Q1S. That's all. So the main feature of Lerbyee Q1S fitness bracelet is ECG sensor. The measurement takes about 1 minute. Just wait for the end, then you will see the report. There is a lot of information here: heart rate graph, average heart rate, ECG normal range, and normal rhythm scope. The measurement conclusion says that my heart is in normal state and I don't have any problems. I hope the bracelet is not lying and I'm really healthy. Also, the app has heart rate monitor, blood pressure, blood oxygen and fatigue level. Honestly, it is hard to believe that $20 fitness bracelet can measure all this stuff. I cannot be sure in accuracy of these measurements. It is better to compare the results with expensive medical equipment that I don't have right now. I should say about battery of this fitness bracelet. It is equipped with 90 mAh battery, which provides 5-7 days of battery life in heavy use and 7-10 days in light use. As I already said, the fitness bracelet has USB direct charge, so you don't need a charging cable. Lerbyee Q1S is a very interesting fitness bracelet because it has unusual design, big screen, ECG sensor, blood pressure and blood oxygen. Of course, if you have serious heart and health problems, you need special medical equipment, and $20 fitness bracelet is not a good option for you. However, if you don't have any health problems, you are just interested in ECG measurements, then buy Lerbyee Q1S. The bracelet shows a lot of information and it is interesting to read it. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.